Barbie vs. Oppenheimer, a clash of titans at the worldwide box office in 2023. Introduction. The worldwide box office has always been a battleground where cinematic giants clash, vying for the top spot in the hearts of audiences around the globe. In 2023, two blockbuster films, Barbie and Oppenheimer, have emerged as contenders for the throne. Both films come from different genres and carry unique cinematic flavors, making this showdown a spectacle worth discussing. Barbie, a cultural icon, takes center stage. Barbie, the iconic doll that has transcended generations, is making her live-action film debut in 2023. The film, directed by Greta Gerwig and starring Margot Robbie as Barbie herself, promises a modern take on the classic Toys story. This ambitious project aims to delve into themes of self-discovery, empowerment, and embracing individuality. The Barbie movie seems poised to captivate audiences of all ages with its blend of nostalgia and contemporary storytelling. One of the film's major strengths is its ability to tap into the global fascination with the Barbie brand. For decades, Barbie has been a symbol of fashion, aspiration, and fantasy for millions of people worldwide. With Margot Robbie as its lead, the movie boasts a talented actress who can draw in a wide demographic of viewers. Oppenheimer, Christopher Nolan's grand vision. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have Oppenheimer, a historical drama directed by the visionary filmmaker Christopher Nolan. This film promises to take audiences on a journey into one of the most critical moments in history, the development of the atomic bomb during World War II. With Cillian Murphy in the titular role, Oppenheimer aims to explore the moral complexities and scientific genius behind this world-altering event. Nolan's reputation as a master of storytelling and visual spectacle precedes him. His previous films, such as Inception and Dunkirk, have demonstrated his ability to craft immersive cinematic experiences that push the boundaries of traditional filmmaking. Oppenheimer is expected to follow suit, delivering a thought-provoking and visually stunning narrative that appeals to discerning cinephiles. Barbie vs. Oppenheimer, the clash. The battle at the worldwide box office between Barbie and Oppenheimer is not just about ticket sales, it's about cultural relevance and artistic ambition. These films represent different ends of the cinematic spectrum, catering to distinct tastes and expectations. Barbie appeals to audiences seeking a light-hearted, empowering story with a touch of nostalgia. It has the potential to resonate with families and individuals alike, offering a message of self-acceptance and empowerment. On the other hand, Oppenheimer appeals to those craving a more intellectually stimulating and historically significant narrative. Christopher Nolan's signature storytelling style, combined with the gravity of the subject matter, will likely attract a mature and intellectually curious audience. Conclusion. The battle between Barbie and Oppenheimer at the worldwide box office in 2023 is a testament to the diversity of cinematic offerings available today. These films represent the two poles of the industry, one offering a dose of nostalgia and female empowerment, and the other delving into a pivotal moment in history with artistic gravitas. In the end, the outcome of this box office showdown will be determined by the preferences of moviegoers worldwide. Whether you're a fan of glamorous doll fantasies or intrigued by the moral dilemmas of scientific innovation, 2023 promises to be an exciting year at the movies, with Barbie and Oppenheimer leading the charge. Regardless of the winner, the real victory lies in the rich tapestry of cinematic experiences available for audiences to enjoy.